Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable the possibility of installing application from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to enable it, first go to settings and here find the security and privacy and go down to more security settings, so just tap on that and find install unknown apps, and here you can enable the applications and browsers from which you will be able to install the .apk files to your phone and install them. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.